In this guide, I'm going to give you the ultimate beginner guide and tips for Roblox Go Catch so that you can catch creatures faster and progress further through the game. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now here in Go Catch, you actually play as a lost scientist who's been sent to a dinosaur-filled world by broken time machines. Your goal is to explore these areas, catch creatures, hatch eggs, and collect upgrades while working towards repairing the machines. But to actually catch creatures, you just need to dash around the map and throw your capture ball at the right moment before the creature does escape. Timing is by far the most important thing in this game, so try to get, as close as possible and throw quickly to improve your success rate. Once you start catching creatures, you can also hatch mystery eggs, and eggs will give you some new animals and companions that can help strengthen your team as you do progress. Another key feature is the class spins. You can roll for different classes that provide special bonuses. If you're aiming for strong builds, try re-rolling until you get high tier or a legendary class, with the Hunger Band being one of the strongest options in the entire game for damage boost. Before you do begin grinding, make sure that you do join the official Roblox group. This is on the game page. After you do that, launch the game, complete the tutorial, hit the gift button over here, and you can go ahead and claim a free gift. There's some codes as well, and you can go ahead and type in releases just like so. Hit submit. It's going to ask you to join the community. I'm not going to do that right now, but when you do type that in, it'll get you 2,000 free coins, which will give you a pretty strong start. Make sure that you do use these coins wisely by opening up eggs, upgrading gear, and re-rolling classes to improve your build early in the game. You should also focus on upgrading things like larger capture balls and faster catch success rates, since these upgrades make catching creatures a lot easier. While exploring though, use shift to sprint, which right now is actually set to shift lock for me. Jump over obstacles and obviously interact with items around the map. You can find these scattered resources that'll obviously help you repair your time machine, unlock new areas. But as you continue playing, just server hop to find fresh creature spawns and stay in line during multiplayer events to earn rewards even faster. With enough grinding though, you'll be a powerful team of creatures and you'll progress through the different time-twisted islands while working towards repairing the time machine in no time. That is the ultimate beginner guide for Roblox Go Catch. If this guide did help you out, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.